Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, it's weekend. Today on Saturday the 5th. Yes, June the 5th, 2021. We have here one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. Actually, we have also a quintuplet here. But as you know, uh, I stopped solving these kind of Sudokus. It's too much for me. Yes, time consuming. These kind of Sudokus, quintuplet. I need more than an hour to solve. So you can say I hate those Sudokus, but I will leave a link here below. So if you like to solve them, just download a PDF file and you can solve them or make it by yourself. All right. But first, we will solve this baby. And by the way, in this newspaper on Saturday, I have not seen the newspaper yet, but I believe there are also extra Sudokus in the additional. But first, we will solve this baby, and this one will be a number 2899. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 printed digits. If you compare with the extra Sudokus in additional, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 6 in this in this column? 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then in this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these two boxes. There 6, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in the third row, 6 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only three places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Oh, alright. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number? Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square. So no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these two boxes in this big square. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 4. Let me mark those two boxes. I cannot fill this yet. How about those two boxes? Also the 9 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Okay. Then. How about the 2 in this column, the 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 2. We have a 2 and a 3 in this column, so no 2 and a 3 in those 2 boxes. The 2 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 8, let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8 are missing. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 2 and the 1 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes and there. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 1 goes there. Let me see. 3. How about the number 1. Yeah. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 4. How about this column? 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. And then. How about yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 7, the 9, and the 5. And look, we have a 7 and a 9 in this column. So no 7 and a 9 in this box. The 7 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Okay. Then 5. Yeah. How about the number? Yeah, we have a 2 and a 4 in this row. 2 and a 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 and the 4 should be in these 2 boxes as a pair. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 9. Alright. Then. Let me see. Two boxes left in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 8. Uh-huh. 1, 3, 7. Okay. I need pairs. I need the pairs. 3, 3. Well. 9, 7. 4, 3. We have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 3 should be here. Oh, there. And look, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. Together with the 1, we have a pair. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. Alright, so we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 9. 1 box left in the last column for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be an 8. Then, 3, 3. How about 5, 5? We have a pair. Yeah. We have a 9 and a 3 in this column. We have a 9 and a 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the 9 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 9 and 3. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can't be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. 5 is missing. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1 and 2. Yeah, 1 and 2 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Correct. Faster than 50 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this Medium Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Sudoku Medium, playlists for the tectonics, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. I have also a playlist for the heavy and the light Sudokus, quintuplets, killer Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just subscribe to my channel and you find those playlists on my channel. Again, thank you for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great Saturday. Fantastic Saturday. Have a great weekend. And we will meet again as soon as possible with the other puzzles or Sudokus in the additionals. So see you then. Bye bye for now.